Welcome to my YouTube channel Razorcat, and today we will see some of the examples of dot and cross products. Okay, so let's see some of the example. Firstly, for the dot product. Okay, so in the vector section, moving forward, we will see some of the examples for the dot product. Okay, so let's see some first example. Suppose that the vector A is given as 2i plus 3j plus 4k. So these are the vectors in 3D. Okay, so in the 3D vector, so second B vector is given as 4i plus 7j plus 11k. Okay, so these are the two vectors. Okay, and we have to find the dot products between A and B. Okay, so the question is like this. So the dot products between A and B is value x, and dot products between vectors C and D is value y. C dot D is value y. So we have to find the value of z, which is x plus y. Okay, so value of x plus y we have to find, and the value of x is the dot product between A and B, and the value of y is the dot product between C and D. Okay, so with the vector C is given as I plus 3j plus k, and the vector D is 7i plus 2j plus 9k. Okay, so this is vector y, which this is C dot D, and these are A dot B. These are vector A, B, and C and D. Okay, so and the x and y value we have to find. So firstly, finding the x value, which is A dot B. So what is A? A is this, B is this. So A dot B is 8 plus 21 plus 44. Okay, so this into this plus this into this plus this into this. Okay, so the value came out to be 29 plus 44, which is 73. Okay, so value of x is 73. What is the value of y? Y is 7 plus 6 plus 9, which is 22. So the value of y is this. So the value of z is x plus y. So 22 plus 73. Okay, so the value of z will be 95. Okay, so this is the value of z, which is 95. So let's see one more question. The question number 2. Suppose that x is given as I plus j, and y is given as 2i plus 6j plus 7k. So this is x and y, and the value of C vector and D vector is I plus j plus k, and the value of D vector is I plus k. Okay, so the dot products between x vector and y vector is m, and the value of dot product between x and y vector is m, and the value of dot products between C vector and dot D vector is n. Okay, and the value of m by n we have to find. What is the value of m by n? Okay, so we have to find the value of m by n. Okay, so as we can see in this vector I plus j. Okay, so I plus j, but k is not given, so we will take it as plus 0k. Okay, plus 0k. So this into this, so 2 plus 6 plus 0, which is 8. Okay, so the value of m is 8. Okay, and what is the value of C dot D? C dot D is nothing else but 1 plus 0, as k is 0, so plus 0j. Okay, so this into this 0, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1. Okay, so this came out to be 2. Value of n is 2. Okay, so like this we will find whatever the value of which vector is not given. If j is 0, so we will keep it as 0j. If k is 0, so 0k. I is 0, so 0i, and then we will multiply it with second vector, or we will find the dot product with the second vector. Okay, So the value of m by n is 8 by 2, which is 4. Okay, so the value of m by n is 4. Okay, so like this we will solve the question if other vector is not given. Okay, so suppose that the a vector is I plus j, b vector is I plus j plus k. Okay, and the c vector is I and d vector is 2i plus 6j plus 11k. Okay, so in this situation how we will solve the question? A dot b is x and c dot d is y. What is the value of x by y? We have to find the value of x by y. What is the value of x by y? Okay, so how we will find the value of x by y? Firstly we will find a dot b, which is x. Okay, so a dot b, 1 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, so it is 2. Okay, so and the value of y, which is c dot d, so 2 plus 0 plus 0, so which is 2. So x by y is 2 by 2, which is 1. Okay, so this is how we will solve the question if the dot product is asked for any two vector. Okay, so moving further. Okay, so this is how the dot product is found. Okay, so moving further, for finding the cross product between two vectors. Okay, so how the cross product between two vectors is found? So for finding the cross product, we have to remember this form cycle: I j k, this and this. I cross j is k, j cross k is I. Okay, and j cross I is minus k. So like this, if moving in clockwise sense, positive; if anti-clockwise in the cycle, negative. Okay, so suppose that the vector A is given as I plus j. Okay, vector B is I plus k. Okay, and we have to find the cross product between A and B. A cross B we have to find. Okay, so how we will find value of A cross B? So I cross I 0, I cross k. I cross k is minus j. Okay, plus j cross I is minus k, plus j cross I is minus k, and j cross k is I. So the value becomes I minus j minus k. So the cross product between A and B is I minus j minus k. So this is how we will solve the question if it is there. Okay, how we will find the cross product between two vectors? Just we have to remember this cycle I j k. If moving in the clockwise sense in this cycle, positive; if moving in anti-clockwise sense, negative. Okay, so let's see one more example. Suppose that the vector A is given as I plus j plus 2k, and vector B is given as k. Okay, so how we will find the cross product between these two vectors, A cross B? How we will find the A cross B? So I cross k is minus j, plus j cross k is I, and k cross k is 0. So the value becomes I minus j. Okay, so this is how we will solve the question if it is there for the cross product between two vector. Okay, so suppose that A vector is I plus 2j plus 3k, and B vector is 9i plus 4k. Okay, so how we will find the cross product of A and B, A cross B? How we will find? Okay, so if it is asked to find A cross B, how we will find? Okay, so firstly we will do A cross B. So I cross J is k, so 9k. Okay, 9k. I cross k is minus j, so minus 4j. Okay, 2 cross j cross j is 0, so j cross k is I, so 2 8i plus 8i. Okay, so and 3k k cross j is minus I, So minus 27I plus 0. Okay. So 9k minus 4j minus 19I. Okay, so the value becomes minus 19I minus 4j plus 9k. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is how we will find the dot and cross products between the vectors if it is asked, okay, in the question. Okay, thank you.